Hi guys, Edit All Your Cars. Today we've got this 2010 Renault Megane. This one's a 1.5 DCI Music. It's a bit different for us, a bit of a step away from our usual stock. I bought this car on a bit of a whim after seeing it. It was at one of our suppliers' depots, and when I seen it, I inquired about it. Anyway, we made a deal and here it is. This car is absolutely immaculate. It's beautiful, it's got great history, drives without fault. Fantastic value for money. We've got it priced at 2,195. It's only got 68,000 miles, as I say. There's no dings on it, look. Honestly, I just couldn't say no. It's got parking sensors on the back. Your reg number there if you need to do any checks. The iMusic comes with aircon, 17-inch alloys. I think it's got an uprated sound system. Not sure, don't quote me too much on that. But yeah, great service history, comes with your MOT, comes with the warranty. Gets treated no differently to a £20,000 car that we'd be selling. Gets exactly the same treatment. It's been fully valeted and machine polished. And yeah, if you are looking for a cheaper end run around, this could be it. This will do 50 miles per gallon. I'm sure it's very reasonable to insure, and I don't think it's much to tax. It's got a massive boot. I think there's a spare wheel, let's have a look. No spare wheel. Oh yeah, there is, I thought I'd seen one. Got your parcel shelf, and all very clean and tidy in there. Little scratch, little mark there, where it's had a bike rack or something on the back. Inside it's got the charcoal cloth. Seats are in good condition, there was a bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but it's got to be expected. It's got the ISOFIX in the back. Three proper seat belts. It is a 5-seater. Got your stereo controls there. Electric windows, electric mirrors, all your usual bits and bobs. As I say, it's got aircon. It's also got auxiliary input just there, look, with the USB. Got a digital speeder. 68,769 miles. Let's just start her up so you can see there's no nasties. There you go, big OK there, no faults. Really light power steering. Got your radio bits and bobs up there. And if I do, I think it tells you 3D sound by Archimis, if that's how you pronounce that. Probably something French. Anyway, I'm sure it's an uprated sound system. 6-speed. Cup holder in the centre for your coffees. The storage in the armrest. Handbooks are in the glove box. And yeah, that's it. Good little car. Give me a call, 01509 267 111. We can get you driving away in this one ASAP. Thanks for watching.